Hey guys, this is Joy. Someone asked me what if she's not a teacher and she doesn't have an experience teaching online, if she can still apply. Well, let's talk more about it. First, I actually started teaching sa mga Chinese students when I was still a college student and at the same time a full-time employee sa isang BPO company. So that means that you don't have to be a teacher for you to apply, but if you are, then that's going to be a big plus and an advantage for you. Next, if you don't have an experience, I have this coworker, sabi nila, it was their first time applying sa isang ESL company. Actually, it was their very first time job. That means that they don't have any experience applying sa ibang industries or sa ibang company. So, I believe this is going to be a very good start as well dun sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho and sa mga gustong simulan yung kanilang online journey. Just make sure that you're going to meet the company's qualifications if you wanna apply. If you would like to know more about online job opportunities and ESL companies na pwede niyong pasukan, I actually just uploaded a new video where you can check it online sa aking YouTube channel, Joyce Connect. Nandun yung details, yung qualifications, and how you're going to apply. I hope to see you there.